Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. I'm gonna do a quick update on how we said we're gonna pronounce this again. Repowe. Repowe. We're gonna do a quick update on Repowe. Since I did my first video, I've just been watching this. Like, yo, this is crazy. I've been on this for about 5 hours now, a little over that, and I already earned $50. Plus, shout out to my 2 people that joined my referral. But before I go deeper into that, y'all know the vibes. Go to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, then marry this video because it's about to go crazy. That content is here. All right. So, shout out to the people that used my referral link. I'll also like to shout out Icy Money. I use his referral link. He's another YouTuber. See, that's how we support each other. You know what I mean? I'm not monetized, so you know how that goes. Using my link will go a long way. Now, this is risky. I'm not a financial advisor, but you know how it is when you get it early on these platforms. You get a chance of a lifetime. So, since it's still technically the first day, you know I gotta go in. So, since I have some coins available now, I was gonna do a quick live withdrawal video for you guys. All right. Now, let me see, withdrawal. My Tron, my TRC20 USD, my Tether, that's the USDT, TRC20, which is Tron network. My wallet is actually connected. So let me go to withdraw, see if they'll allow me to withdraw $50. The bonus that I have is actually in BNB. So I'm gonna just see if I can withdraw this $50 in USDT. Okay, so they have no fee for this, and let's see how long it takes to actually go to my wallet from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and confirm that. It says good job, withdrawal has been processed, and they sent a batch ID number right here. Let me check the wallet, see if it's there. And yep, it is there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's right here. It just popped up. I got $49.94. So that did take about 6 cents to complete that transaction. As you guys seen, it was instantaneous. We know how these platforms could be. I can't stress that enough. Do your own research. If this could last a couple months, then you already know we winning big time. Shout out to everybody that got in early. Shout out to the people using my referral link. I'm going to keep you guys posted on my journey of this and how I made this money back. All right, people. Blessings on blessings. We just withdrew our first $50 within the first 5 hours. That's wild. Off of a $500 investment. So, in 2 days, I should be able to make my money back. Plus, double my money. 4 days, I should be able to double my money completely. Damn, did I do that? 200%. Wow. My math is all over the place. I'm sorry, people. It's how I be when you don't sleep. Okay, so your net profit is 200%. Okay. So you keep that for so basically every day is 50%. Well, 48%, but basically 50. You know what I mean? So every 2 days you made 100% profit. Don't get no easier, more simple than that. I could attest this instant withdrawal is definitely there. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I told people in my group I'd be a guinea pig. I'm already taking some money out. If you were to ask me, I'd say this is the time to hop in. It's pretty straightforward on how to start. You just create your account, use my link down below, and let's make some money. All right, people, I'm going to cut this one short. I don't want to keep it too long. I just wanted to show you guys a live withdrawal and how simple that is. And it's a similar operation when you're depositing. You just pick what coin or what wallet you're going to use, then you press invest, so forth. But yeah, Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Nasser Ben Kabi. I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.